Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I am going to show you how to draw support and resistance lines. So support and resistance lines guys, these are two concepts that are used in technical analysis. Okay, and guys, it is very important for you to understand these terms and their practical application, because this is so essential when reading price charts. Okay, and as a trader you must understand that price moves because of supply and demand. This is why it is very important for every trader who's a technical trader to understand these terms. And also you have to understand that when demand is greater than supply, prices rise. Okay, when demand is greater than supply, prices rise, and when supply is greater than demand, prices they fall. Okay, so for those people who don't even understand what is support and resistance, so support is the level at which demand is strong enough to stop the price from falling any further, and resistance is the level at which price is strong enough to stop the price from moving higher or up. Okay, so it is my understanding that a lot of you guys, market structure. I once made a video about that. Okay, so our prices, it moves like this. So our support is at the bottom and our resistance is at the top. Okay, so whenever our price comes down here at this point, it's at demand, and whenever price goes to this line here, it's at our resistance line. But what you simply need to understand is that when prices breaks our resistance lines, when it goes up, our previous resistance will be our new support. Also same applies here. When price breaks our support, and when price comes back here, our previous support, it will be our new resistance. Okay, so without wasting much of your time guys, let me show you how to draw these lines properly. Okay, so remember guys, as for me, when I'm drawing my support and resistance lines, I like to draw them on my monthly time frame. Okay, a lot of people, they draw them on H4 or daily or weekly, but as for me, I don't like drawing them on this time frame, because I don't want my charts to have too many lines, or to have too many lines. Yeah, so what you simply need to go is to go to your monthly time frame. When you go to your monthly time frame, as for me, I draw my support and resistance on my line chart. So today we are going to use a very wonderful pair that I love, which is Euro USD. Okay, so when you do this, make sure that you zoom in a little bit. Okay, this is my monthly time frame. So as for me, what I'm simply going to do, I'm going to draw those areas whereby price was rejected. Okay, so if you zoom in like this, okay, for me to be able to draw these lines properly, I must start drawing them here. Okay, going here, here, here. Okay, as you can see, my price is playing around this same area. So allow me to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so if I zoom in a little bit here, you find that my price is playing around this area. So I am going to start drawing my support resistance. So this is my first point here. This was my support. Okay, then as you can see, price, it went up here, and this is my resistance. Then it came back here, then it went up here. Okay, then it came down here, then it went up here. So I'm just going to draw it like this here. Yeah, so maybe I'm going to draw a line here. This is my this is my resistance, then this is also my resistance. Remember guys, I told you that previous resistance can also act as our new support, and previous support can also act as our new resistance. Okay, so as we can see also here, so as we can see here, everything here, I'm drawing my lines properly, as you can see here. So I'm drawing those areas whereby our price was rejected and it went up or down. Okay, then we've also have this point. As you can see, I've managed to mark almost every important I would say every important line, and also we also have this area here, and also you also have this area here. Okay, so this is on my monthly time frame, and this chart is from 2015 to 2024. Okay, so once I finish drawing my lines on my monthly time frame, I'll switch. You after you finish drawing them on a monthly time frame, you have to switch back to candlestick. And when you switch back to candlestick, make sure that, remember guys, I told you that it is for you. You have to understand what we call market structure. Okay, so for you to be able to understand these things, it's like you have to also understand market structure for these things to be so effective. Okay, so these are my lines, as you can see here. Okay, so when you go back to your H4 lines, okay, what the market is simply doing is showing you those areas that those support and resistance lines that are is showing me those support and resistance lines that I was showing on my monthly time frame. And I've seen that a lot of people, they say that support and resistance, it doesn't work, but as for me, it does work. So it's also very important for you to understand market structure. Okay, it doesn't mean that if there is support or resistance, the price is going to fall or it's going to go up. Okay, you simply need to understand market structure. So let's have an example. Let's analyze from this point here. Okay, we just want to analyze this part here from 23 October to December. Okay, as we can see here, our price, let me do this. Okay, as you can see here, our price, it went here, then it came back to our support, then it came back here to our support, it came back to resistance, then support, then it broke our resistance, then it came back to our support, then it broke again our support, our resistance, then it came back to our support, then it went up to our new resistance, then it went down, then it broke our resistance, then went up to our new resistance, then it went back here, then it went up here, it came back to our support, went back to our new resistance. Okay, so as you can see guys, these are the lines that I was drawing from 2024. As you can see, this is why I had to choose those areas whereby price was rejected. So guys, if there's one thing that I've realized when it comes to forex, price respect supply and demand zones, and also support and resistance lines. Okay, as you can see here, so for these things to be effective, for your lines to be so much effective, what you simply need to do is you need to be someone who understands market structure. As you can see here, it went back here. As you can see here, it's now here. The price is not here. 8-hour new. The price is now 8-hour new resistance. So even if you zoom in here, okay, you can simply see that our lines they are being respected, like here, okay, here. So what you simply need to do as a trader is you need to understand market structure as well, so that your lines can be much effective. Let's say, for example, I've discovered that we are on a downtrend. These lines, they can help me to enter my trades and also to know where to put my take profit, and also my also where to put my stop loss as well, and also when to enter the market. As you can see here, market was now downtrend. It was now downtrend, so I knew that my entry re-entry, it was at this point here, then my stop loss, then my TP, it should be here. So it's very, very important, guys, for you as a trader to understand this. Okay, as you can see here, my support and resistance lines, they are being respected. Okay, so this is what I wanted to teach you today. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to put a full forex course for you guys, whereby I'll be teaching you everything pertaining to, whereby I'll be teaching you my strategy from A to Z, so that you can understand how to draw your support and resistance lines. You can also understand how to use your stochastic oscillator, how to identify like market structure, things like market structure, how to draw your trend lines and everything. So I'm going to make a video on that, and it is my belief that this video is going to help a lot of people so that they can know how to navigate the market. So guys, thank you for watching this video. It is my belief that it's going to help a lot of people. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, please, 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 guys. And if you've got any question, feel free to comment. If there's an area that you do not understand, feel free, guys, to just tell me. Feel free to type your question, and I'm going to answer you, or I'll make a video pertaining to everything that you need to understand when it comes to the forex market. Thank you guys for watching.